How to review hobbies you've added on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review hobbies you've added on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines. Click on it, go down, click settings, and go down again and click activity log. And now all you need to do is just click profile information and then click hobbies you've added. And as you see here, you can review hobbies you've added on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.